In this video, I dragged over a stereo clip, audio clip recorded separately and dropped it into this Resolve project. When I play it, we see it only plays one channel. You can see a single channel is being played here. We're going to fix that. So welcome to Mac Mingle, and hopefully we can fix this issue that we see right here. So if we go back and stop this video from running, and then go down to the audio clip and select it with a right click, click attributes, you'll see that the default setting is mono, and that mono button there, we select that, we can select stereo. And at this point we have embedded channel and audio 1, and that's only the left side. If we want the right side, we've got to go ahead and click the second one and use the embedded channel again. And now we've got the right side covered. So click OK, and we should be done. Now if we run it, let's take a look at that. There we are. Both channels are playing. And that's all there is to it. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching.